Now question number 5, 6767 minus 101111101 42135 plus 14255 minus 110111111. Now first of all we convert these value in decimal number. 6 multiply 8, 7 multiply 8, 6 multiply 8 and 7 multiply 8. Now we write their power 0, 1, 2, 3. 8 power 3 512, 8 power 2 64, 8 power 1 say 8 and 8 power 0 is equal to 1. Now we multiply these values 3072, 448, 48 plus 7. Now we add these values 3575 comes. Now this binary number convert into decimal number. 1 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2 and 1 multiply 2. Now we write their power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 2 power 8 56 multiply 1 256, 2 power 7 64 multiply 0 with 0, 2 power 6 64 multiply 1 is equal to 64, 2 power 5 multiply 1 32, 2 power 4 multiply 1 16, 2 power 3 multiply 1 8, 2 power 2 multiply 1 4 0 and 1. Now we add these values 381 comes. Now 4 to 1 3 base 5, 4 multiply 5 power 3, 2 multiply 5 power 2 plus 1 multiply 5 power 1, 3 multiply 5 power 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we multiply these values 555 and 3. When we add these values 558 comes. 1, 4, 2, 3. 1 multiply 5, 4 multiply 5, 2 multiply 5 and 3 multiply 5. Now we add these values 238 comes. 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2. Now we write their power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 2 power 9. When we multiply these values 9, 53 comes. Now at the place of 6767 we write 3575. At the place of this binary number 381 minus 558 plus 238 953. When we add these values and minus these values 892 comes. Now minus plus 3575 plus 892 is equal to 4467. Now we convert this value into binary number. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 1 becomes carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 becomes 13, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 6 becomes 16, 2 8s are 16, 0 carry. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18, 0 carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 9 becomes 19, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry. Now 2 6s are 12, 9 become 19, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 1 become carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 0 carry. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8, 1, 0 carry. 2 2s are 4, 0. 2 1s are 2, 0 carry. Now we write these values in binary number. 4 4 6 7 base 5. 5 8s are 40. 6 become 46. 5 9s are 45. 7 becomes 17. 5 3s are 15. 2 carry. Now 5 1s are 5. 9 becomes 19. 9 becomes 39. 5 7s are 30. 5 and 3 becomes 43. 5 8s are 43 carry. Now 5 3s are 15, 2 becomes 28, 5 5s are 25, 3 carry. 5 7 are 35, 0 carry. 5 1 are 5 2 carry. 1 2 0 3 3 2 in base 5. Now base 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 8 8s are 60. 4 3 becomes carry. 8 6 are 48. 8 becomes 78. 8 9s are 72. 6 carry. 8 8s are 64. 5 carry. 5 1s are 5 0 carry. Now we write these numbers in octal base. Now 1 4 2 3 base 5 multiply 1 1 0 0 1 1 2 minus 2 4 3 base 5. Now we multiply these values with base 5. 1 multiply 5, 4 multiply 5, 2 multiply 5 and 3 multiply 5. Now they have power 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we multiply these value with 1. 5 power 2 multiply 25 with 4. 5 power 1 multiply 2. 5 power 0 is equal to 1 with 3. Now 125 plus 100 plus 10 plus 3. When we add these value 238. 1 1 0 0 1 1 base 2. When we multiply with their bases 1 multiply 2 1 multiply 2 0 multiply 2 0 multiply 2 1 multiply 2 and 1 multiply 2. Now we write their power 0 1 2 3 4 5. Multiply these values and add 51 comes. 2 4 3 multiply 2 multiply 5 plus 4 multiply 5 plus 3 multiply 5. 0 1 2. 2 power 5 power 2 25. 5 power 1 5. Multiply 25 with 250. 5 4s are 20. 3 1s are 3. Now we add these values 73 comes. Now 1 4 2 3 base 5 multiply 1 1 0 1 1 base 2 minus 2 4 3 base 5. Now we multiply these two values and minus 73 1 2 0 6 5 answer comes. Now convert this into base 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 0 comes. 5 4s are 20, 1 becomes 41, 5 8s are 40, 3 becomes 13, 5 2s are 10, 3 carry. 5 9s are 45, 2 becomes 32, 5 6 are 30, 2 carry. 5 1s are 5, 6 become 46, 5 9s are 45, 1 carry. 5 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15, 4 carry. Now 8 1s are 8, 0 becomes 40, 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 0 is 6 is less than 8, therefore 65 we add 0, 8 8s are 64, 1 becomes carry. 8 1s are 8, 0 becomes 70, 8 8s are 64, 8 becomes 68, 8 8s are 64 and 4 becomes carry. 8 2s are 16, 8 becomes 28, 8 3s are 24, 4 carry. 8 2s are 16, 7 carry. Now we write these value in octal, base octal. Now question number 7, 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 base 2 multiply 4 0 4 0 1 base 5 plus 4 3 0 1 base 5 multiply 1 1 1 0 0 1 base 2. Now we convert these value. Now we convert these value in the decimal number. 9 2 power 1 power 1 multiply 2 0 multiply 2 1 multiply 2 0 multiply 2 1 multiply 2 1 multiply 2 1 multiply 2 0 multiply 2 1 multiply 2 and 0 multiply 2. Now we write their power 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now we write their numbers 5 1 2 plus 0 plus 1 to 8 plus 0 plus 32. The values whose multiply with 0 0 comes. When we add these values 698 comes. 40401 multiply with their base 4 multiply 5 plus 0 multiply 5, 4 multiply 5, 0 multiply 5, 1 multiply 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we multiply these values. 4 multiply 625, 0 multiply 125, 4 multiply 25, 0 multiply 5 and 1 multiply 1. Now we add these values. 2500 plus 100 plus 1, 2601. Now 4301 base 5, 4 multiply 5, 3 multiply 5, 0 multiply 5 and 1 multiply 5. When we add these values, 576 comes. 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2 and 1 multiply 2. Now we add their power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5, 32, 2 power 4, 16, 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 2, 0, 2 power 1, 0, 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Now we add these values, 57 comes. Now 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 base 2 multiply 4 0 4 0 1 base 5 plus 4 3 0 1 base 5 multiply 1 1 1 0 0 1 base 2. Now we multiply and these values 1 8 1 5 4 9 8 plus 3 2 8 3 2. Now we add these value 1 8 4 8 3 3 0 comes. Now we convert this value in binary number. 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 3 becomes 13, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 becomes 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 0 comes, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 0 comes as it is, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 0, 1 carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 become 11, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 0 comes as it is and 1 carry. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 5 becomes 15, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 0 comes and 0 carry. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 0 and 0 carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 0 and 0 carry. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 0 and 0 carry. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 and 0 carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 0 and 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are 18, 0 and 2 2s are 4, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 and 0 carry. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 0 carry. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 0 carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 0 carry. 2 7s are 14, 0 carry. 2 3s are 6, 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 and 1 carry. Now we write these number 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 and 1 0. Now we convert this number into base 5. 5 3s are 15. 4 becomes 34. 5 6 are 30. 8 becomes 48. 5 9s are 45. 3 becomes 33. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30 and 5 6 are 30. 0. Okay. Now 5 7 are 35, 9 becomes 19, 5 3s are 15, 6 becomes 46, 5 9s are 45, 6 becomes 16, 5 3s are 15, 6 becomes 16, 5 3s are 15, 1 becomes carry. Now 5 1s are 5, 3 becomes 23, 5 4s are 20, 9 becomes 39, 5 7s are 35, 3 becomes 43, 5 8s are 40, 3 becomes 33, 5 6 are 30, 3 becomes carry. Now 5 2s are 10. 47, 5 9s are 45, 8 becomes 28, 5 5s are 25, and 5 7s are 35, 1 carry. 5 5s are 25, 5 become 55, 9s are 45, 5 1s are 5, and 2 becomes carry. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 1 becomes 41, 5 8s are 40, and 1 carry. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 3 carry, 5 4s are 20, and 3 carry. Now we write these number 4 3 3 1 2 1 3 1 0. 8 2s are 16, 4 becomes 24, 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, 3 less than 8 0, 8 4s are 20, 32, 8 4s are 32, 0 becomes 10, 8 1s are 8, and 2 carry. Now 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16 and 71, 8 8s are 64, 70, 8 8s are 64, 64, 8 8s are 64, 0, and 1 carry. 8 3s are 24, 8 becomes 48, 8 6 are 48, 8 1s are 8, 0 comes, and 0 carry. 8 4s are 32, 1 becomes 41, 8 5s are 40, and 10, each 0 becomes 10, 8 1s are 8, 2 becomes carry. 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 3 carry, 8 7s are 56, 0 carry. Now 7 0 3 2 0 1 2 with their base 8. Now question number 8, 3 4 0 4 base 5 plus 1 1 0 1 0 1 base 2 multiply 3 4 0 4 base 5 minus 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 base 2. Now we convert these value in decimal number. 3 multiply 5, 4 multiply 5, 0 multiply 5, and 4 multiply 5. Now we write their power 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now we multiply these values, 125 with 3, 5 power 2, 25 with 4, 5 power 1, 5 multiply 0 is equal to 0, 4 power 1 is equal to 4. Now we add these values, 479. Now this binary number converting to decimal number, 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 1 0 multiply 2, and 1 multiply 2. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 power 6 64, 2 power 5 32, 2 power 4 16, 2 power 3 8, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 1 2, 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Now we multiply and these values 1 and 1 comes. Now 3404 is equal to 479 and 101. Multiply 479 minus 101. Now when we add these values, 580, when we minus these values, 378. Multiply these values, 219240 becomes. Now we convert this decimal number into base 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 is less than 2, 19, 0, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 0 comes as it is, and 0 carry. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, and 0 carry. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 0, and 2 5s are 10, 0 comes as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 0, and 2 2s are 4, 1 carry. 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 1 becomes carry. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 1 becomes carry. 2 1s are 2, 4 becomes 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4, 1 becomes carry. 2 8s are 16, 1 becomes 11, 2 5s are 10, 2 becomes 12, 2 6 are 12, 0 carry. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 0 carry. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 0 carry. 2 1s are 2, 0 and 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 1 becomes carry. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 1 becomes carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 0 carry. 2 6s are 12, 1 carry. 2 3s are 6, 0 carry. 2 1s are 2 and 1 carry. Now we write these numbers in binary number. 219240 base 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. These two becomes 42. 5 8s are 40. 5 4s are 20 and 5 8s are 40. 0 carry. 5 8s are 40. It's become 38. 5 7s are 35. It's become 34. 5 6 are 30 and 8 becomes 48. 5 9s are 45. 3 becomes carry. Now 5 1s are 5. 37. 5 7s are 35. 26. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15 and 4 becomes carry. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. 0 comes and 3 carry. 5 7s are 35. 0 and 0 carry. 5 1s are 5. 0 becomes 20. 5 4s are 20 and 0 comes. 5 2s are 10. 4 becomes carry. Now 2 4 0 0 3 4 3 0 with base 5. Now this decimal number convert into octal number. 8 2s are 16. 8 7s are 56. 8 4s are 32. 4 is less than 8. 8 5s are 40. Now 8 3s are 24. Now this 4 becomes 34. 8 4s are 32. 0 becomes 20. 8 2s are 16. 5 becomes 45. 8 5s are 40 and 5 becomes carry. 8 4s are 32. 2 becomes 22. 8 2s are 16. 5 becomes 65. 8 8s are 64. 1 becomes carry. 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24. 4 becomes carry. 8 6s are 48. 5 becomes carry. Now we write these values with their base octal. Now question number 9. 4 6 7 base 8 plus 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 base 2 multiply 4 6 7 base 8 3 0 0 4 base 5. Now we convert these value in decimal number. 4 6 7 with base 8 4 multiply 8 6 multiply 8 7 multiply 8 0 1 2. 8 power 2 64 multiply 4. 8 power 1 multiply 6. 7 multiply 1. Answer comes 311. Now 1 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2 and 1 multiply 2. Now we write their power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we multiply these value 371 comes. Now 3 multiply 5, 0 multiply 5, 0 multiply 5, 4 multiply 5 and 5 multiply 5. 0, 1, 2, 3. 5 power 3, 125. 5 power 2, 25 multiply 0, 0. 0 multiply 5, 0. 4 multiply 1. 4 ones are 4. Now we add these values 379. Answer comes. Now 3 1 1 plus 371 multiply 311 plus 379. When we add these values 682 multiply 690. Answer comes 470580. Now we convert this number into base 2, 5 and 8. Now with base 5, 5 nines are 45, 0 becomes 20, 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, and 5 6 are 30, 0 comes. 5 ones are 5, 4 becomes 44, 5 eights are 40, 1 becomes 41, and 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 1 becomes carry. Now 5 sevens are 35, 6 becomes 26, 5 fives are 25, 4 becomes 14, 5 twos are 10, 4 becomes carry. 5 ones are 5, 5 becomes 25, 5 fives are 25, 0 and 2 carry. 5 threes are 50, 0 and 0 carry. 5 6 are 30, 0 carry. 5 ones are 5 and 1 carry. Now we add these value 1 1 0 0 2 4 3 1 0. Now base 8 4 7 0 5 8 0. 8 fives are 40. Now 0 becomes 70. 8 eights are 64. 5 becomes 65. 8 eights are 64. 8 becomes 18. 8 twos are 16. 0 becomes 20. 8 twos are 60 and 4 carry. Now 8 sevens are 56. 8 becomes 28. 8 threes are 24. 2 becomes 42. 8 fives are 40. 2 becomes 22. 8 twos are 16 and 6 carry. Now 8 nines are 72. 5 becomes 15. 8 ones are 8 and 2 become 72. 8 nines are 72. Now 0 comes carry. 8 ones are 8. 1 becomes 11. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Now 9 becomes 39. 8 fours are 32. 7 becomes carry. Now 8 ones are 8. 4 becomes 34. 8 fours are 32. 2 becomes carry. 8 ones are 8 and 6 carry. Now converting base 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fives are 10. 2 twos are 4. 8 becomes 18. 2 nines are 18. 0 and 0 carry. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 becomes 12. 2 sixes are 12. 2 fours are 8 and 2 fives are 10. Now 2 fives are 10. 2 eights are 16. 2 eights are 16. 2 twos are 4 and 2 twos are 4. 1 becomes carry. 2 twos are 4. 2 nines are 18. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. 0 carry. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 sevens are 14. 0 and 2 fives are 10. 1 becomes carry. 2 sevens are 14. 2 threes are 6. 2 fives are 10. 2 twos are 4 and 1 becomes carry. 2 threes are 6. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sixes are 12 and 0 carry. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 2 threes are 6. 2 eights are 16. Now 2 fours are 8. 1 becomes 10. 2 fives are 10. 2 nines are 18. 1 carry. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 nines are 18 and 1 become carry. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8 and 1 become carry. 2 fives are 10. 2 sevens are 14. 0 carry. 2 twos are 4. 2 eights are 16. 1 carry. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 0 carry. 2 sevens are 14. 0 carry. 2 threes are 6. 1 carry. 2 ones are 2 and 1 carry. Now we add these numbers in the binary number. Now question number 10. 3 1 2 3 4 base 5 plus 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 base 2 2 4 5 9 minus 1 3 4 2. Now we convert these value in decimal number. 3 multiply 5, 1 multiply 5, 2 multiply 5, 3 multiply 5 and 4 multiply 5. Now we power these values 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 power 4, 625, 5 power 3, 120, 5, 5 power 2, 25, 5 power 1, 5, and 5 power 0 is equal to 1. Now we multiply these values and add. Answer comes 2069. Now 1 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 2 plus 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, and 1 multiply 2. Now we power these values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we multiply these values and add 183 comes. Now 1 multiply 5, 3 multiply 5, 4 multiply 5, and 2 multiply 5. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we add these values, 222 comes. Now we add these values, 2069 plus 183, 2459 minus 222. When we add these values, 2252, and when we minus these values, 2237 comes. Now we multiply these values, 5,37,724 comes. Now we convert these values in binary number. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 7 becomes 17, 2 8s are 16, 7 becomes 17, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, and 0 comes as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 becomes 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and 0 comes as it is. 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 4 becomes 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, and 2 5s are 10. 1 becomes as it is. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 1 becomes carry. 2 1s are 2, 1 becomes 11, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 7 becomes 17, 2 8s are 16. When we minus 16 from 17, 1 becomes carry. Now 2 7s are 14, 7 becomes 17, 2 8s are 16, 4 becomes 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 0 comes carry. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 4 becomes 14, 2 7s are 14. Now 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 0. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, and 2 9s are 18, 1 becomes carry. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 becomes 11, 2 5s are 10, 9 becomes 19, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry. 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry. 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2, 0 becomes 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 1 become carry. 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 1 become carry. 2 3s are 6, 6 become 16, 2 8s are 16, 0 carry. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 0 becomes carry. 2 9s are 18, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8, 1 carry. 2 2s are 4, 0 carry. 2 1s are 2. Now we write these number in binary number. We start here and end here. Now convert into base 5. 5 1s are 5, 0 comes as it is. 3 is less than 5, therefore take another 0. 5 7s are 35, 7 becomes 27, 5 5s are 25, 2 becomes 22, 5 4s are 20. Now 4 becomes 24, 5 4s are 20, and 4 carry. 5 2s are 10, 0 comes as it is. 5 1s are 5, 5 becomes 25, 5 5s are 25, 0 and 4 2s 4, 5 8s are 40, 4 becomes carry. Now 5 4s are 20, 1 less than 5, 0. 5 threes are 15, 0. 5 ones are 5, 3 carry. 5 eights are 40, 3 less than 0. 5 six are 30, 1 less than 0, take 0, 1 carry. 5 ones are 5, 0 becomes 30, 5 6 are 30, 5 ones are 5, 0 becomes 10, 5 twos are 10, 0 carry. 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10, and 5 twos are 10, 2 carry. 5 6 are 30, 5 fours are 20, 2 carry. 5 ones are 5, 14, 5 twos are 10, 4 becomes carry, 5 twos are 10, 2 becomes carry. Now we divide these digits in the base 5. Now convert these values in base 8. 8 6 are 48, 3 becomes 23, 8 twos are 16, 7 becomes 77, 8 nines are 72, 7 becomes 57, 8 sevens are 56, 2 becomes 12, 8 ones are 8, 4 becomes 44, 8 fives are 40, and 4 carry. Now 8 sevens are 56, 9 becomes 69, 8 eights are 64, 7 becomes 57, 8 sevens are 56, 1 becomes 11, 8 ones are 8, 5 becomes 35, 8 fours are 32, and 3 carry. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 becomes 18, 8 twos are 16, 1 becomes carry, 8 twos are 23, 8 twos are 16, 9 becomes 79, 8 nines are 72, and 7 becomes carry. Now 8 ones are 8, 2 becomes 42, 8 fives are 40, 9 becomes 29, 8 threes are 24, 5 carry. 8 ones are 8, 3 becomes 73, 8 nines are 72, 1 carry, 8 twos are 16, 3 carry. Now we divide these digits in base 8.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.